Any adofonum akwabasonko enkoma obibia sedane da munya ebre ene eda etie eye yensama yede ebabasomo ewo too much GHS so muni aba ekwesi kapa ena motimini na meje just na chese Ghana wahala dwumedie ena yede ebasomo ensam de kotwi ekobrema wo penido so podia aheya ena wo benya ninyina na amunim sa ade chibia yete ensam fofo se 20 years so de yenyai echesoa de biara eda na enrada na Father's Day enkrofobi ewehwehwe womo awofo happy Father's Day na abaye bia wono de echesem waboko oye prodigal daughter achesen kaya pono a enesa wono so efasa akwanya na so de chopoto ne papa anim ena chese wono so esre ne papa anim adoma na so osre se ni papa mfanche no odo no so de sa akwanya ne ewehye no na wo wehye no ewie ye no abre ho sema se de papa na aka de atoto no krampo dem migidi ye se abaya no wo fi a wo benu no ho so de sa de ato awe ebaye na ebusuamama yembonra ensem no emu MP for Asen Central, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong compre bema so sipicita or dan also die yan tokwa any scan wo hunu. Neba ni din ede ana mo be kaya ne maame eba abonten ebebe twa ede bo Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ye papa ni nyina ensema Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ede bebe tu edwa se abaya no ne ba ana no wago WiId chese nubone ho ayim ti se won kra wa jane life ede amanu na abaya obi a waye adun so wo tua school fees na afa wutimi ba be ka kire ne se school no wagya ne won kone be hye ne ye pa enti wo hwe ebra na akwada ne ebo na ne ya se ne manyina wonu kwa na eda sa suban no edi ewo ho enti obeka sa ensem we na hye maame no ena ono so tam nkosua ne hye na bebetina TV so anase ni social media hangout so oba na chese ono so efa wo record no ho wo twa da pa o wonim sem fantefo na ni abresusu na wo joki ni nyina wo de fefa mu ene o case generations ne ho nkro ne bo wo de ni nyina atu edwa na anka ni enim sem ami na ni abra wakasa ase we kanya de se wo beba asan ababeta fere sebio abusuafo mo mfanche me ne fie enso ene de mami wasaba wadane kraman wa hunu wasaba baba fa na ade akọ na ni nyina enrada Father's Day na chese ye di ye janom wo mo ede ama wo mo na no na ne ba anel take that opportunity call on Facebook and okoko tro ye said ya wa ne papa aha no ne ho kro ne bana abusua making kind ede amam ninsem no eni o si dear daddy, my waywardness has become the cause of your ridicule, which can tarnish your integrity and image. I implore your forgiveness. I have made better choices now and I will continue to. Please, Daddy, if one day you still find me worthy as your daughter, kindly have mercy on me and deliver me from myself. Love always, and now happy Father's Day. Na abaya yi ede ne die etu edwa ewie ye pede hu ya ne sequence obi so na ono kwa de ne ti aba betehoi na hwana ho twene kwa na mami o ono so ne die ne se o say dear Ken, please accept my apology. I feel contrite about my reaction to your utterances regarding our daughter. I know my behavior was deprived of decorum. I know my behavior was deprived of decorum, and I am sorry. I am really sorry. Whatever my reasons were, I could have done better. Unfortunately, I cannot alter what I did, but I can assure you that it will never happen again. Kindly accept my apology. We ene maame no wono so ne dia wode etu edwa na wode tu edwa ewie yenke enim se Honorable Kennedy die apologies we aba ma akwada de aba ma me de aba nkanoa no wo beje atum apapa yi hwe se de enioma ekọ na wo sin kura we mo mpeso mo omfa fulu me de bi o me hwe ade ye no ane se na mbe me fa banchi bo nwu mu de ade bo na ebe abra metimi anya fro ye papa de adie Debi osihwe akwada no chopa wodi aba no wenye de kan yo wenye de toso mienu wenye de toso miensa aba waka mo asema se wa bre enti so omo freba na wo mo eba be ka che na wo mo de chopa we ba se de be ya wo de be che wo mo na school fees we tua pa dia ene ese bi ka fra che wo mo o metwa fofo ma na to eye mmosiem we de anton kwan mu o metwa ma na to mmosiem na to mmosiem so de untimi fanya hwem o se hwe Debio, so what did your school fees? Sebika fraction could be share, and as what the cocoa for a shawonia when ya ace. Now ace no pone yam, and son ace ni benyano, no when yana satisfaction. Eddie, if you not ever see him, we might go to the honorable Canada, Japan, and some of the two Janny by a batwasso.
Father's Day, Yandra. A month for we show ma or Baba Janelle.
Yeah.
Or so the Grand Bro. But up to now, when she dance so Grand anymore.
Now then, we say so. Utie. Niame ne mami ekan
ne mami nanka sonso abadwena to
mente
I say o mami ne bari nya na abom e pa che say
mente ne wo kan ye nyina yi e de no betimi aba de dwanto aba na odi dwanto aba se menye ne de biem sesei
aso o
pa che se den
I say oba se be
e fa boni njenza ko tua school fees biem. Is that what you are saying? No, I just want to know from Ghanaians what I have to do.
My main kind message, ask him about his take on the daughter's apology letter to him on Father's Day. Her name is Anel Bakono. And Obienso Okenti Anel Diano. And Yanke, so bet me I can be before. And two fan chanokra, Anel Diano.
No, she has a way to live.
Or Banya Jadi, but
with him how many times I'm the agent? I have not come public. With him how many times I'm the agent? And you know one casa who's why mistake. Now when she has her own life to live, I don't have a problem.
All right. Metra say me kan apology letter no about but my minister men kan messages be about Miriana Yaba NPP primary say as there's a perception that he don't seem to expose Reverend Obofo, Owusu Bempa, Agrada, who feel they are not men of God. Why has he decided not to expose them? A demon son and boy.
You see, what about for information? Bring it. Because there are some men who can and call for and a deal more with evidence. So who can about for once bring it? Let me see. Make sure I be a I will not cover it. So what share Reverend Owusu Bempa? There have been about 4 pastors. Obiya ba no wayi na frim. Baako Manasa na wasi kosa ne nase nwia e de ko tachiman. De koduru ho no malam no ka chem so sa osofu we e de enya dwuma. We too clean. Well, na e kan obi de minim.
Okay.
Anybody who information on one o de fabra. What I can say ni say nyina no one way or the other no to stolen cars. That I know.
Nipa mi asam boarding na.
Mpache say asofu young ones baby.
Okay.
Ka say nen anya sika papa bi kese bi a toy start ye nyina no to stolen cars. That I know. They were all buying stolen cars from these boys. I know.
Very well. My waywardness has become the cause of your ridicule, which can tarnish your integrity and image. And I implore your forgiveness. I've made better choices now and will continue to. Please, Daddy, if one day you still find me worthy as your daughter, kindly have mercy on me and deliver me from myself. Anel to her father. Love always. Anel, happy Father's Day. Anel Asemno.
That's what can be.
So it is Anel Air Show, Sabri, through many platforms.
Say forgiveness, no. Forgiveness, in any day. You see, let people learn from their mistakes. It is a nano on our home. If we are sending echo, she has a life to live. A dear be on 7 years. But say, Bia, Namirekaso, or so co school, no, Namin go to your fees, been tria. Medibe tria girl no school fees, Medibak fasha on your ace, mania ace. Go before say ace in the bed kumino, no mania satisfaction than this girl. I won't pay.
Say and someone honorable Kennedy Agyapong what they to a jar apologies ne mano and ne ba and ne ureno one more a day a buy and I just say and ya dear say what so a chopan because chopan what tia when you did kind when you did tosu munu and a when enya dear toso emi and sa entino what kind ya and I just say all those a woman into one day what by pass or the bay juma dear one far and yet you must say the mote no and na ensem we bebe to edwa no na Ghana fo bi no say there be one apple so kan say apan dia ene na wanya ade there be entwaye eni kwan say eye panyin as an MP wo kasa asem we say akwada na afom wo maame na afom wo Bible krampo say an dibonye ni wo san fi na kwan bone so na oba krampo so de beche na ade oba ye bone ba waye ye krampo ye krampo ye kan asem bi sem oba se bi wo jan na gu na so a ye pepa na emo ye ntwa na ade na beso twa na yi di free one enti omo se de eye one about Canada Japan wo ye no there be enye ne kwan so anu ne etwa ye na comment ni bi e wa ha no mama menkenkan bi emfa emamu yenua eye nuhu Haruna e de ode e ba ye say let her get someone to marry as a husband maybe that will change her completely just forgive her Albert Raddy Brempong e de ode e ba say Papa Ken I am on my knees. Please forgive her. Just have time for her, and you will see how she will be among your children. Please have mercy. Cecilia Wilson. And so, Edia Wode Eba ye or say, I understand you know, but please forgive that daughter. She is a growing lady. She is a growing lady. She will know you wanted the best for her. Albert Kodia and so Edia Wode Ebaye or see if men of Ghana spoke out and addressed issue as Mr. Kennedy Agyapong, our beloved country would reach great heights. Henry Ablaze and so Edia Wode Ebaye or say foolish talk honorable Kennedy Agyapong do huni say eye asem honorable kan ye and sem fata say eye panyi pa wo kasa asem no Atasola Edward Ebayo say, this one, I disagree with Honorable Ken. Does he know the number of times God forgives us our sins? One also so when they say, one a honorable, one no enya a drink crowd, we are some way a walking you, one no enya a drink a woman, a ya and Preduan coupon, what day a yen ma and phone so a channel. Philomena Shaw, Edward Ebayo say, Uncle Ken, no matter he is your daughter one also so ede ode eba wo hunu say Uncle Ken emfa ho ni de besie akwada no oye wo ba enti eye den a wo se wo fa no eye fifi enso ede ode eba wo see the women on here they make at the laugh rough Kennedy say he no one spoil in money go again o ono so ne de enonom Wilson Kofi Mensah enso dia wo de eba yo say You have been whipping people fresh education, young daughters, and why do you one pair and then they do you one pair, you are crying. Oh, okay. See, you have been whipping people fresh education, young daughters, and they do you one pair, you are crying. On also Sunday or day by when they say, what they be a young crofoma, what they be here or baba copper. Who's then your man, 22 no back up any year from the year didn't say to my ya there be soon. One also so a dear or de eban. I didn't change the bebre, do one pa a young honorable Kennedy at Japan at Chelsea one fire a year a bayano, then phone so and channel. Now one sign engine would name Ebiana way there was a son ampa. Abusian, so ba bontin the chop packet say at the abba. Agyaba betu anim na eye papa utimi ba bontin be kasa ensem we gidi se wutie eye audio no wo be kasa ensem we no den na eye honabo ope achem na nsem musa na no yi a wode eba towards eye ne yire no ni baby mama sorry ni baby mama no ene ne ba anel no wo mo apology no eye ne kwan so a eno no se de wadwen etwa wo esi fa bia no fabra e wo too much in etwa comment section e bia mo so share your videos no na like your videos no efa ema ye follow yen e wo your IG page at too much age _ na emrepem no making come adwen channel e de ama midin ene e clear sikapa that's ne ye besane share
fiti ani asese ne din and your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro and ma ba too much gh hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe